This is Pedro, groundskeeper at McKechnie Field.
The Marauders have buried a remote control under his infield dirt, and it's soon time to dig it up.
Pedro, what are the chances I could get on the infield and start doing some digging?
What? No, man.
Come on, let me dig it up.
No, you can't do that.
Come on.
I'm sorry, you can't.
I gotta dig up the remote.
It's no way. I'm sorry, man. You can't. I'm sorry.
But why not? Not even a little?
No, please, get out.
Really?
Get out, please.
Come on.
Denial can crush the spirit, but B.J. Potter could not be stopped.
Hey, what are you doing, man?
Though at first he did not succeed, he would try again.
I can't believe it.
Pedro would have to go to extreme measures.
I told you, stay off the field.
But in the end, there was compromise.
Hey, man. I'm sorry. You can use this.
McKechnie Field, August 4th, Thursday. Dig up the remote, win this baby right here. Walk away with a brand new TV.
Dig up the remote control buried under the Marauders infield and win a 46-inch flat-screen TV, courtesy of Rice's Appliance. Register before the game on Thursday, August 4th, and you can dig with a metal spoon. Any in-game registrants will have to use a plastic spoon to dig. For more information, call 941-747-3031 or visit BradentonMarauders.com.